Hey there, YouTubers. It's your girl, naelatoye, and I'm back with another video. Hey. So today's video is going to be a unboxing video, an install, and prep, all for this unit I'm wearing. This wig is from Luvmehair, and yeah, I'm not gonna do too much wagging and dragging here. Let's get right on to the video. All right, y'all, so let's get into the video. So I'm going to be unboxing another unit from Luvmehair. This is actually a unit that they sent me to do a video on. So thank you to Luvmehair and their staff for reaching out to me. I appreciate y'all. I thank you guys so much for this opportunity. So with that being said, let's get into the video. So I've already taken it out of the DHL packaging. Y'all saw from the last video that I did that it comes DHL. I received this a week ago. I think a week ago. But yeah, so this is dang, I don't never remember what the daggone what the name of the unit is, but so this is their Bob, and this is in the length 10 inches. So we're gonna get into that. So you guys know from the last video, they send you a wig gift, and in the gift comes just a couple of things for your wig. So they send you a comb, an elastic band, the hair wax stick, bobby pins, 2 duckbill clips, and tweezers. All come in the gift. So just a little disclaimer here, if y'all hear noise, it's my washing machine. Let's go ahead and get into the rest of this unit. So of course they send you the caps. I have a cap on already because I took a wig off just to do this video. I did actually install the previous unit, the Deep Wave 360 unit from the previous video unboxing. I did install that. I had photos with wearing the unit on my Instagram. If you have not seen them already, go ahead and check out my Instagram. It is at naelatoye on Instagram, and I will scroll it across the screen somewhere. But let's go ahead and get into this unit. So this one, I'm excited to see this hair, child. Okay, so this one, as I said, it's a 10-inch bob, and I will leave all links in the description box below. Oh, this is cute. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so here's what the unit looks like straight out of the box. I have done nothing to it. It's just straight out the box. So this is the lace and across. I would say this is a medium brown. It matches my skin tone pretty well. Let's see. So there's an elastic band on the inside. This is just like the band that comes in the gift. This wig comes with the clips on the inside, one at the bottom, the 2 on the sides, and the 1 in the top. This is what the inside looks like. Let's flip this bad boy. Nice, well constructed. Definitely loving the cap. There's a little lace in the back, which I think is cool. But this is the top, lace on the inside. So yeah, that is how the unit looks straight out the box. Let's try it on, see how it fits. So fits pretty good. I think I would even be okay without using the elastic band. But I'm gonna put it on like that. Let's see how it looks. It looks pretty good. What I will do is I'm gonna pluck the parting space, but it looks good. Of course, I need to flat iron it and make it presentable and curved. So I'm definitely a side part kind of girl. So this side part, I'm feeling it, all the way feeling it. So yeah, I am gonna go ahead and take this off. And I'm gonna just show y'all what I do to install quickly. All right, good people, I'm back. And I've tweezed. And I think it looks all right. I didn't over tweeze. Now I'm gonna show y'all what I do to have it look natural without bleaching the knots. So I take my foundation, any foundation. In this case, I'm using the Fenty foundation. This is my winter shade, but it's a matte foundation, so I don't have to worry about it transferring off of the lace. So I take my foundation and I put a few pumps on the back of my hand. I'm going to start with 3. That may be enough. And then I take this regular foundation brush, foundation on the back of my hand, turn the lace, the wig inside out where you can see the lace, and then I just dab it around, load up the brush, and dab it on the brush. I try my best not to push so that it doesn't get on the actual hair. So I just dab. And I hold it up and don't lay it down so that I'm sure that it doesn't get any on the actual hair. That it just gets on the knots in the lace. I'm gonna make sure I get my edges real good. Alright, so that's done. Cap is already on. I'm gonna put this back on again to see how it looks on my head. Mirror. Oh my God. Let's see how it looks. Definitely too far down on my damn forehead. It looks like I'm gonna have to secure the front down. That feels better. Alright, so secure down the lace. Alright, so I'm going to use the freeze spray to secure the lace down. So I use the Got to Be Glued Blasting Freeze Spray. Using Got to Be Glued. This is the Invincible Got to Be Glued, so it doesn't leave that white cast. And I can put this want it to be as thin as you can possibly get it. So spread it across as much as you can. I don't mind getting this on my hair because technically it's gel. It comes right out with water. Because I need everything to lay absolutely flat at the top. So I go in with the tail of the comb and just push the lace down on top of the gel. When I have parts that don't want to lay, I go back in with the freeze spray. And it ain't going nowhere. Now I'm gonna go in with the flat iron. And I'm just gonna go through with the flat iron real quick. So I'm gonna try the wax. Let's go ahead and put that on the flyaway hairs. See if that controls it a little bit more. Alright, so this is pretty cool. And that was the hair wax stick. And that is definitely keeping the hair down. That is real good. That's cool. That's definitely cool. So I will definitely be using that on my straight hair as well. But this is the hair. And yeah. So you guys, this is my final look. It's got flow. I definitely like it. Y'all will see me with this on in other videos. So, if you like this video, go ahead and thumbs up, subscribe, hit that noti bell so you don't miss a video that I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace out.